Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a SHEIN haul and I'm so excited to show you guys this because you guys know SHEIN is one of my favorite brands to collab with because they have the cutest things. They literally have the cutest things. So this time I picked up the cutest, most perfect fall and winter items. So I also did want to mention that they are going to be having a Black Friday sale, so make sure that you guys click on the link down below. I'm going to be having all specific links to each product that I picked up. And also before I start filming, make sure to use my code, which I'll be having right here for you guys to get some money off. And I have about 25 plus items, so it's going to be a big one, and I hope you guys are ready for the ride. So I'm just going to jump in. These pieces are so comfortable. Like, I have this piece on right now and I've been feeling all the other fabrics. They are so freaking soft. This here is the first outfit. This is a set. I love how it perfectly matches my skin tone. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but it just like makes me look a little bit more tan. The sleeves are a little bit like on the longer side, so you can cover up like the tops of your hands, which is perfect for the fall season. If I'm being honest, I'm gonna create a little hole here so I can have it for that vibe. But this top alone would be very beautiful, and then also these leggings would also go very beautifully with a bunch of other pieces that I'm going to show you guys. I do have a lot of tops that I want to show you guys, so I'm just going to show you how well they pair with these bottoms as well. So these are all like mix and match perfect pieces. Like, I can't even tell you what about this vest that reminds me of my childhood, but all I know is that I'm going to wear the fudge out of this for springtime. This is so cute. Like, I can picture myself wearing this with like a cute little like pleated white skirt, or I could even wear it with some baggy jeans, make it a little bit like pastel cutesy street style at the same time. It's so cute. Or like with a long skirt, it would be so pretty, even with some leggings. And the material is super soft. It feels like a blanket, but I just love this. It really just screams when I was a baby. It's so cute. Okay, excuse my top for being a little bit wrinkly. I literally just got it out the box like yesterday, but this piece, I had to get it because I was like, you know what? This would be an essential piece for like having it open with like a bralette, or I can just have it a little bit open. I can do very businesswoman, tuck it into some trousers, or I could have it as literally like a little dress with some knee-high boots. Like, that would be a moment. But you can do so much with big shirts like this. This is just like a pink blouse. I believe I got this in a size medium, but this shirt was already like oversized, so I love it. The guy from Mean Girls, like, it just gave me that type of vibe, so I was like, I need it. Something about this, I needed it. This top is actually a two-piece, so it comes with this lacy mint top, and it also comes with like a little mini cardigan. Girl, 2-in-1, yes please. This looks like really elegant, very cute. I love finding gems like this where it's kind of like 2 for 1. It just makes it so much better. Okay, now I would believe you if you told me that this was a matching set, but it's actually still the first leggings that I showed you guys. This is a tying fur top, and I got this in also pink, which I'll show you guys in a second. But look how pretty this looks. It just kind of reminds me of like the Lion King. Most of the time I get them because it reminds me of my childhood. And I don't know if that just makes me like a nostalgic person. Am I the only? I know I'm not the only one, but I just want people to like make me feel better, and like, you know what I mean? Like, you kind of gravitate towards items that remind you of your childhood because it kind of makes you feel like you're reliving it. Not exactly, but you know what I mean. I got this in a size small. I got most of my things in a size small, except for like the hoodies. I probably got them in like a size large. Medium for sure if you do have bigger boobies. And now here is the pink one. Which one do you guys like better? I think I like the... Actually, I don't know. I think it depends on my mood really, because this pink one just gives me like princess vibes. Literally whenever I film, I always get calls and texts, and I'm just like tempted to look. I'm just like... My ADHD is throbbing. This one gives me like princessy, like cutesy girl little vibes, but the brown one gives me like put together, like going out on errands or like going out to a cute little brunch type vibe. Guys, freaking shut your mouth right now. Do you see this? I could cry. This is so freaking cute. I have to take a picture of this ASAP. Are you joking? It's so cute. Okay, now moving on to some sweaters that I picked up. These are pretty much all oversized sweaters. Like, I never really like to get form-fitting sweaters unless it's like in a set, like a zip-up top and some leggings. I will always get them in like a size large, always. But this one right here, can I just have a moment to appreciate this quality? Like, I'm gonna show you guys up close. You guys probably won't be able to tell, but it's the perfect stretch, and even when you stretch it, like you can still see the image. It's not like fading at all. And I know my sister's gonna be stealing this out of my closet all the time, but luckily I'm gonna give it to her because I'm such a good sister and I can borrow it from her whenever I go to my mom's house. Okay, I know spooky season is barely freshly over, but it doesn't mean that we can't wear skeleton stuff. This is so adorable. Like, let me see, the hoodie is plain black, but I like how it's like a really roomy one because I like to wear extensions and my head gets thicker whenever I wear extensions, or like even on this occasion when I wear wigs, it'll fit my head and it's not going to be suffocating me and making me look like Patrick freaking Star. Sometimes these brands like SHEIN and stuff, they do run a little bit smaller. For some reason their sizing is just like a little bit smaller, so I do recommend, like, if you want an oversized hoodie and you're getting like a large, maybe go for an extra large. It'll be better for the size that you're going for. Bones on their hands, and it has, of course, the skeleton right here. Shut the duck up. Don't talk to me. This is going to be what I'm living in. Like, if you're going to be having a night in, or like you're going to be going out, this is going to be perfect. But also, like, heart-shaped item supremacy. Cold season, like, it's already approaching. Like, it's been on Halloween, it was freezing. Like, when I took my pictures for like Kill Bill and stuff, bro, you don't even know the half of it. I have bruises on my legs. I think it may have been from like climbing up on this thing, but it didn't hurt at the moment, so I don't understand like where they're really from exactly. This is really freaking cute. I think it's so freaking cute. See, it's like kind of like bat wingy. It has a lot of room. It is cropped, so that's why it looks smaller, but I did get this in a size medium. I just have to laugh at myself at this one because this one is so random. You guys would probably never in a million years think that I would even like remotely be interested in getting this, but I'm 1000% into these types of things. This is a freaking frog. This is a frog, and I'm going to wear this frog until the day I die. Like, so fun fact, I have like this knitted frog hat that I use whenever I have anxiety, like really bad anxiety attacks, and I remember that I have it. I'll do a whole explanation on that later, but basically this reminded me of it, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, this is, you can't tell me that this isn't the cutest thing you've ever freaking seen. I got this in a size large, and I want it in every color if it comes in other colors. I believe it's only in green, but I wish it came in other colors. It's just so cute. Doesn't it just give you so much like serotonin? I know. Sorry guys, change of location. My other camera likes to die really quickly on me. I don't know why. All these pieces I'm going to keep saying that they're cute, adorable, things like that, because they freaking are. But this one just says Hollywood, and I just thought, I live in LA. I need myself like a Hollywood oversized sweater eventually, don't I? So I have this. It's really freaking cute, and I just think it's so adorable. But it's really cute. I think it's like essential for like running errands, like if you're just gonna run down to like freaking Earth Cafe to go get a freaking coffee and then just go back. This is perfect. I know these are cheesy, but I just thought, why not? So this one says, it's not you, it's my social anxiety. This pink color is really pretty, so I was sold. I was like, okay, you know what, let's just get it. Like, we can wear it for like nighttime. I probably wouldn't wear it out. I think it would just be like a comfort thing for myself. This is so cute. I would scream, but my walls are so thin and my neighbors would absolutely hate me more than they already do. It's a Hello Kitty puffer jacket. I'm booking a flight to New York right now because I need to wear this ASAP. Here would be too hot, but I need to go to New York. I've been wanting to go back to New York so bad, but this just gave me more than enough reasons. Gave me 87.5 reasons to go. They're having a Hello Kitty collection, and I screamed, I chirped. And it took everything in me to not get like 5+ items from that collection. So cute. I got this in a medium because I didn't want it to be too tight. This is part one of the cow things that I got. I don't know what it's been, but I've liked like cow print things recently. Like, I just think they're so cutesy. It's just so cute. Like, this almost feels like a robe. Like, you could wear this out of the shower if you wanted to. Oh, there's like fur particles. And then here, oh my gosh, I forgot about the best part. There's a cow ear part. So I've been wanting a coat similar to this for a while, and I found it on SHEIN, and I was just like, oh my god, wait, this is so cute. So I picked it up, and it's so cute. This is also in a large, but can you guys see what I mean? Like, this doesn't necessarily look like a large, so definitely it's been confirmed when you're getting like oversized items, definitely go up a size. I know a lot of you guys are forgetting that Thanksgiving is coming up next and not Christmas. You guys are very mean to Thanksgiving. But I do like to put on a cute little dress or whatever, and then dress up and then get kind of dressed down into like some comfy clothes. Is that, you guys know what I mean? But then maybe like an hour in, once everybody already like took in my hot outfit, I can dress like this if I want to. But this cowl set is so comfortable. It also kind of like could play off as being like a Cruella de Vil type outfit, like 101 Dalmatians. This would have been perfect to get for Halloween. It really would have, because if I would have like done my makeup like Cruella, put the wig on, everybody would have already like thought like, hey, that is definitely not a cow costume, it is Cruella. It literally feels like a cute robe. Now I just know you guys are excited for this one. This is like the opposite version of like the Jennifer's Body. I personally would wear this one as pajamas just because I feel like it has that type of material where it kind of looks like more pajama-y, but I would actually wear the other one that I'm going to show you guys next out. This is what they look like, and the pants are flowy, so they're very comfortable with this. Out of everything that I got, all of the tracksuits that I got, this one is 1,000 times my favorite. This is Jennifer's Body. You get 2 in 1, and you really can't beat that. I like this one so much better. As you guys can see, this is there's a reason as to why I would actually wear this one out, and the other one looks a little bit more pajama-y, but like really up to your preference. It's cute. Like, you can't really beat this. Like, I would buy this 10,000 times. And now the tracksuit. I cannot go wrong with any tracksuits. I feel like I'm always wearing them whenever I'm going out to just do like a quick little brunch. Like, sometimes I'll just wear a quick tracksuit. Run some errands at Target, and I want to feel cute, and I don't want to wear like an oversized tee and some spandex like I usually do. It's really like a quick and simple way to look cute, feel good. This is what the back looks like. Comes with a little hoodie. This two-piece is actually pretty unique in my eyes because I don't really see people wearing like this color really. This is such a pretty green. It's like, it almost wants to be a neon green, but it's kind of like a bright frog green, if that makes any sense. I believe this one's also in a large, and the sweats also fit me really well, even though they're a large. I usually am like a small for it to be form-fitting, but this is really juicy. Also, I did want to mention I did get a few packs of these essential basics. So I have this almost turtleneck type top, and it also does scrunch at the bottom, so if you do want to make it a little bit shorter. Little v-neck tops. These are so beautiful because they fit the duck out of you with some jeans. And then I got some essential little baby turtleneck. I wish I had more to show you guys. I know this was a really big haul, but I don't want it to end. Like, these items were probably one of my favorite haul I have ever done. This is a brown set that I got. This one actually fits like a large, but this one was like the first like true large that I got, and the other ones were kind of more giving me like medium large. But this is a brown set, and this one's also very cute. Like, this is like one of those sets that you would probably get for like $80. But instead you get it for like pretty cheap. If you guys want more SHEIN hauls, definitely let me know. But I also do have my code, which is going to be right here for you guys, and it is also down below. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah.